Oh, this is a little bit rough. Oh boy, there's a big stone and it feels as if our little man is still learning. We had a couple of close calls, but we're still on the raft. Very wet. I'm just glad our kids, and the grandkids weren't on this raft. That is fun. It's fun. It's fun. The worst that can happen is we go over. Now it's calm. Calm. Horses! Horsey! And we saw elephants. This is really awesome. I love every moment. Hubby's sitting at the back. What he's thinking, I don't know. It's a bamboo raft, and there you can see a bamboo bridge. Cannot believe how strong bamboo is. They just make everything with it, and it's just unbreakable. Here we go again, a little bit of it. Beautiful. It's the 2nd of January and it's lots of people, but you cannot believe it. It's just us on this part of the river. You don't even know there's other people around. Just amazing. Kids are loving it. Now I understand why they said you're going to be a little bit wet. So I put on my jean, but tekkies was not the best idea. But who cares?